Hi guys, today we're going to replace this old lamp with the new lamp from Koda. This one is 15 inches wide, ceiling light, comes with 1600 lumens, slim, low profile, adjustable color, it's energy efficient, dimmable and works up to 50,000 hours. We have two options for the colors, the 4000 Kelvin natural white and the 2700 Kelvin warm white. Also, we can change colors using the light switch, but we'll show you this shortly. Right now we'll show you how to install this lamp. Let's see what comes inside the box. First of all, we got the lamp itself. As I said, it's 15 inches wide. Besides that, we have the manual. And I'll show you guys right away. Inside the lamp, underneath this cover, which can be removed by turning it counterclockwise, we also have a couple of screws, small ones, larger ones. We have three wire nuts, and we have the green grounding wire as well. And the fact that this cover comes off will help us a lot during the installation. You can also disconnect this electrical connector and this side as well. And now we have separately our lamp and our cover. The next step is to turn off the power. In our case it's entry living room number 6, so we have to look for number 6. In your case it probably will be different, you have to find the right one and turn the power off. To remove this previous lamp, all we have to do is first remove this cover underneath by turning it counterclockwise. And here's a bulb, be careful, it may be hot. To remove this base, we have to unscrew these two screws first. Now you can try to turn the base like this, and you should be able to take it off. Even though our power is off, we will still use this voltage tester to make sure that the power is off. The way it works is you press the power button and you will see this green light. So our goal is to touch each wire and see if we have any power. Right now it stays green, which means there is no power. Just to show you the difference, we turned the power on, and now when I touch the hot wire, the black, as you can see, it shows us the red LED and it makes this sound as well. This means that this wire is now hot and we cannot work on these wires. Again, it's a great tool. We recommend you to get one of those. This way you can double check yourself when you work on the wires. Power is off now. Now we can remove the wiring from our ceiling, and now we can disconnect our wires. So I will turn this wire nut counterclockwise, and now we can disconnect these wires. And basically repeat the same process with the neutral white wire. That's it, the old lamp is off. You can see that these wires are quite short, so we have to actually remove some insulation from these two wires on our lamp. Again, this is the black hot wire and this is white neutral. I will use the wire stripper. In this case I will use the 14 gauge, which is third opening basically here. So we need approximately this much wire to attach it to our wiring in the ceiling. So all you have to do is to turn it like this and then peel. This is enough. Same on this side. Third right here. And that's it. Now I will turn twist them clockwise. This will make our life easier when we connect the wires together. And now they are ready to go. This lamp comes with optional grounding wire. You don't have to install it, but if you want to, the procedure is following. Set comes with a washer, this small screw, so this end will go right here and gets installed into this small hole. And this end can be connected to the grounding wire inside your electrical box on the ceiling. The fact that we can remove this cover from our lamp makes our installation a lot easier, and right now, as you can see, I can easily connect these wires together. This is our hot wire. It's in this case it's red, but sometimes it's black. So these are the colors that we're looking for. This is a power wire, red or black. Just twist your black wire from the lamp onto this one, and then the wire nut goes on top like this. Make sure it doesn't come off. This is good. And then repeat the same process with the white wire. Twist it on top of the wire that comes from the ceiling, and then again clockwise, always clockwise, twist on the wire nut. And by the way, this is a grounding bolt right here with a grounding wire, in case if the electrical code in your country requires you to connect the grounding wire for the light fixtures. This is where you can find it. There are two different sizes that this lamp can handle. We'll be using this one right here, and these screws will go in each of these holes. And again, the advantage of having this cover off is that you can easily, well, first you have to hide your wiring inside the box, gently push it in like this, and make sure you don't jam any wires. And now we're using this guy right here, so one goes here and the second one goes right here, and then you turn it like this. And now we can use a screwdriver to properly tighten our screws. Now all we need to do is to reconnect this wire and this connector. Now you have to make sure that these guides go basically before this thing here, and make sure this wire doesn't get jammed. Once it's flat like this, simply turn it clockwise, and that's it. Our installation is complete. Our installation is complete, and this is how our lamp looks like now. It's quite bright, looks very modern, as you can see. Actually, we installed two more. There's one right here, one more, and one more lamp in the hallway. Again, they look very nice. they supply more light than the original, and as we said before, you have two options, either the natural white color for 1000 Kelvin or 2700 warm white. To switch between colors, you'll have to use your light switch. The way it works is after you turn off the light and turn it back on within 5 seconds after it has been turned off, it will change the color. So I will turn it off now. Within 5 seconds I will turn it back on. As you can see, it changed to the warm white. If I do it again, immediately I turn it on, it's natural white again. Now if you want this color to stay, you just don't need to turn it back on within the 5 seconds. So if you leave it off for more than 5 seconds and turn the light back on after that, it will stay the natural white until you decide to change it again. Our installation video is complete. Thank you guys for watching. We think it's a great option if you want modern looking bright LED lamps. If you like them, I will leave you the links in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.